Welcome everybody to Friday Fabric Finds. This is a special edition of Friday Fabric Finds because it's Black Friday today. That's right. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer, product owner.
And I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
And this is a series where we go through the Friday newsletter and show you guys that fabric in person. So without further ado, let's get started.
So first off, we just want to start this with our Black Friday week of sales. You can find all of our deals in the description of this video, but also we want to let y'all know that the first 30 orders placed today will receive a free fat quarter. Whatever order you have, whatever order you place, if you're the first 30, starting from midnight on Friday, you will get a free fat quarter. So make sure to save big on our Black Friday deals.
First product we're showcasing is 25% off the Untamed Fat Quarter Bundle by Tula Pink from Free Spirit Fabrics. This bundle includes 24 fat quarters featuring beautiful prints and vivid colors. The original price of this was $95.96. We now have it on sale for $71.97. So make sure to go wild for this deal on our Untamed Fat Quarter bundles.
Next, we have items from Moda, which is the Christmas Cats Notepads and Glam bags. We have Notepads, which are the magnetic closure, 75 sheets of paper inside. The regular price for those is $3.96, but we have them on sale for you at $2.56, so good sale on those. We also have the Glam bags, which are 8-inch by 5.5 inch, and they also have a gold zipper on the top. The regular price of those is $8.96, but they were on sale for $6.72. So make sure to pounce on this perfect sale on our Christmas Cats Notepads and Glam bags.
Next, we have 60% off these vintage metal lunch boxes. This is exclusively by Sandy Gervaises for Riley Blake. These lunch boxes are from the Red, White, and Bang collection. These are 8 inches by 6 inches by 3 inches. They have plastic handles and metal clasps. The original price of these are $12.96, but they are on sale for $5.18. So make sure to pack up some patriotic savings with these vintage metal lunch boxes.
Next, we have an item from Riley Blake, which is the Quilty clips. This includes 100 clips inside the little containers. It comes in a cute bluebird tin. These are for you to be able to easily clip pieces of fabric together, or also just great for piecing and binding. They are regularly priced at $16.96, but we have them on sale for $12.96. So make sure to fly away with a steal on our Quilty clips.
Next, we have these stunning 2.5-inch strips from Wilmington. These are the Mystic Vineyard Batiks 2.5-inch strips. These include enchanting floral prints and green, purple, and black colors. The regular price of these are $47.96. We have them on sale for $19.18. So make sure to get your hands on these stunning 2.5-inch strips at a magical price.
Next, we have a whole collection of yardage on sale for y'all, which is from Free Spirit, the Winterberry collection. It is 50% off, so they're regularly priced at $13.96 per yard, but we're giving it to y'all for $6.96 per yard. These patterns are winter florals and berries, so very Christmas-like. The colors are red, green, and cream, so make sure to get very good deals on our Winterberry fabric this season.
Next, we have 40% off these Christmas Wishes panel bundles. These bundles include 4 36-inch panels from Riley Blake. It includes Santa checking his list, Santa putting a star on top of a tree, a truck full of puppies, and the birth of Jesus Christ. These bundles are usually priced at $59.96. We have them on sale for $35.96. Make sure to give yourself the gift of savings with the Christmas Wishes panel bundle. I'm thankful you're doing this one because I can't say that word. Embroidery. 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 I cannot say that word. Embroidery. I can't say that word. Embroidery.
Embroidery. Next, we have a Notion on sale for y'all. It is 60% off the Teflon embroidery.
Why is you do that? I literally looked at it and I said it like you. No.
Next, we have a Notion on sale for y'all. It is the Teflon embroidery scissors. They are 60% off, so they are regularly priced at $14.96, but we have them on sale for you at $5.98. These are from Moda. Also, they are travel size, perfect for snipping threads, They are 4.5-inch length, and they are non-stick Teflon coated blades. So make sure to cut the cost on these Teflon embroidery scissors.
Next, we have 50% off Seasons Basics from FIGO. This is the yardage. We have 4 basic prints, each offered in 7 different colorways. These are inspired by the 4 seasons of spring, summer, fall, and winter. We have these regularly at $13.96 per yard, but we have them on sale for $6.96 a yard. So the seasons are changing and so are the prices, so make sure to check out the Seasons Basics from FIGO.
Next, we have the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. This week, we have 2 comments.
Woo!
First one is from YouTube. It's from Barbara H. Thanks, guys. Another great video. Is it time the skeleton on the mini iron gets changed to an elf for the holiday season?
Wait, where did the iron go? Oh, it's right there.
But where's the skeleton? Where'd he go? But we have new things. Look, we got some festive stuff. Holidays. So
Kind of Christmasized it.
yeah, we might get an elf. We might put an elf up there.
I wanted an elf. I thought it was a good idea, but because an elf on the shelf, obviously. But yeah, I couldn't find an elf.
Yeah. But it's all right. Look, we got some Christmas trees and we got some other little festive stuff up here. So we might add some more between now and Christmas time. Got a new look going for y'all. So thank you, Barbara, for your comment. We really appreciate it. Thank you for watching the videos.
And then also we have Sewing with Lil Wayne on TikTok who says, I did watch the YouTube version. Y'all gotta make a blooper reel. First off, we want to say thank you for watching on YouTube. I do want to say we are going to still include comment of the weeks for social media posts. So make sure to still leave your comments there. But also, I think the idea of a blooper reel is a really, really good idea and maybe something to look out for in the future.
As always, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. Make sure that you subscribe. You could even ring that bell so you get notified every time we upload. Make sure to leave a comment so you might be featured in the comment of the week next week. And also follow us on social media. The links are down in the description. We will see y'all next week.